I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration. They make ladies see the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that likes the dark, so that you can find your left and right. I am the ballad in your box, the bullet in the gun, in the glow that lets you know the target of the sun. The story that we become, the promise of what's to come, and I will remain a soldier till the war is won.
Well, this is new. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a new thing I'm going to try out where I actually talk to you guys more so we can get a more on-level basis. But with that out of the way, welcome to the Reading and Northern Railroad here in Nesquehoning, Pennsylvania. We're out here chasing the Reading and Northern 2102 on the railroad's first winter Iron Horse Rambles excursion. The train is for a good amount packed, I will say that. A lot of people are out here chasing, and it's a fun chase, you know. Catching a train rolling through the wintery mountains through the Anthracite region of Pennsylvania. So with that being said, let's get out on the tracks.
Making great pace through New Ringgold, Pennsylvania, the train starts getting more into the Pocono Mountains, where the railroad grade becomes way steeper. One such grade is in the small town of Tamaqua, where the original Philadelphia and Reading Tamaqua station currently sits, now as a restaurant for people to go and eat. The 2102 crew really has to work the engine up this grade to keep what looks to be track speed. With the uphill leg of the journey over, 2102 starts descending down from the speed used to climb the hill at Thorpe Junction as it starts heading down the hill towards Thorpe, Pennsylvania. If this scene doesn't look like a movie to you, I don't know what does. The train passes by the frozen Lake Hauto, referencing a movie of a train that once headed for the North Pole. Moving just a little ways down the railroad, we make it to the Thorpe Junction as we see the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railroad performing their own winter excursion, passing over the Lehigh River. Once these guys have maneuvered through the yard down in Thorpe, they've made way for the 2102 to turn its entire train around on the Y. The locomotive crew must have definitely known a crowd would be here, as they put on a grand display of whistle and stack talk.
I want you to look at the side of the super bed. You'll see where the paint's coming off there. So do that.
Yeah, I saw it.
You saw it?
Completing the second leg of the Y and now shoving down the third leg, the train makes its way back to Jim Thorpe to deboard people for the first time have rode the Y maneuver, and then after that the train will be stored in the Narrows and 2102 will be brought back out into the yard for people to tour its cab.
That's sick, man.
Finishing its second run of the day, the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Train makes its way back into Jim Thorpe Station. On the head end powering the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Train today is ex-Southern GB38-2 number 2013 that was recently seen in the fall foliage video we did back on the Reading and Northern. Like most, time catches up and it's time to move 2102 back onto the consist. 2102 fetching the consist and the 2013 departing with the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Train along with SW8 switcher number 801 connecting back up to the tanker it brought down for the 2102 all provide a 3-train movement at once. Enjoy. With crowds cleared from the tracks, number 801's crew is able to bring the switcher and the tanker up into the Jim Thorpe yards. 2102 can be heard in the background, sounding throughout the mountains with their hooter whistle. Surprisingly let out ahead of the winter excursion on a shove movement, 801 takes itself and the tanker back to the Nesquehoning campus, where they are both stored in the shops.
So we'll take that back to the yard, we'll drain the water, and we'll just switch it and head back to Nesquehoning.
With the now vacant yard, the 2102 proceeds up into the Jim Thorpe station to begin boarding, acknowledging her arrival with her Reading 6 child. Swirling steam surrounds the 2102 as she's given her final preparations for the trip back to Reading. As she gives her 5-minute warning whistle, it almost sounds like the locomotive is singing along to the sound of the church bells echoing throughout the town of Jim Thorpe.
that is going to do it for today's chase, folks. Thank you guys for watching the video today. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate that. If you'd like to see photos of today, links are in the description. Special thanks to my father for bringing me out here. Love him dearly, and this probably wouldn't have been done without him, so thank you, Dad. So with that being said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.